My beautiful friends, how you doing? Hamster has just given us premium dust, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and we kind of saw this coming. We're going to talk about this in a jiffy, but let me show you how you can quickly sell if you're interested. Okay, click on the sports section, this right here. That's where you're supposed to click. But first of all, let's go to the assets. If you go to the assets, okay, look at this. If you see your hamster in the unified, okay, for example, if I click on that unified, if your hamster is here, then all you need to do is to just go to spot, okay, and sell right away. And how do we sell? Just come over here and click on this right here. Okay, click on that, and there's going to be a search bar here, so just search for hamster, HMSTR. okay, and you're going to see all of this. Select this one here, HMSTR paired with USDT. Click on that, and boom, okay, it is going to be displayed like this. So what we want to do is to sell. So you are going to select the sell button, click on that, and it is going to show you this interface. Now look at the trading price of hamster listed at 0.01. As I said earlier, we saw this coming. Okay, if you saw my price prediction videos, I was predicting 0.05, 0.01. I actually predicted 0.05. They listed below my expectation, but I did hint that it could still list at 0.01. okay, so if you want to sell, all you need to do is click on this right here, that limit, change it to market, and after that drag this to the end. And mind you, what this means is that you want to sell all of them. As at the time of making this video, my hamster is worth about $29. It was actually about 35, okay, when it got listed, but I was in transit, so I couldn't sell then. Okay, so now what we can do next is to click on the sell button. Okay, if you want to sell, if you think it can, the price can still bounce back, okay, you can just go to the chart. Okay, if you click on that chart, it will show you what is happening. I am on the 1 hour time frame. You can go to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, you are going to see what is happening here. If you think after this slight retracement that it is gonna bounce upwards above this height here, well, why not wait? But if you know and you think from maybe some premonition that this is gonna keep dumping, just switch back to trade and yeah, this right here, and click on sell. So I'm just gonna sell now and click on sell hamster. And ladies and gentlemen, I have successfully sold my Hamster Kombat tokens. Let's watch what is gonna be happening next. What do you guys think? I'm not saying you should sell yours. This is what I just feel like doing now, okay? Because there is a lot of anger and frustration in the market. People are going to be dumping. Okay, so let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. If you still want to hold it, why not? It could still bounce back. Okay, make sure the decision is not influenced by what I just did. I'm going to make more videos. Okay, we're going to talk about hamster because this season 2 I'm gonna make a video. We're gonna discuss this, okay, whether we're gonna go ahead or not, or whether this is gonna be the end of the road. Okay, so this is for this video. If you've got any questions or contributions, let's have them in the comment section. Let's go.